Ladies, let's talk about the power of fennel seeds for women's wellness. Hormone balance, breast health. Fennel seeds contain phytoestrogens, which can help balance hormones, easing symptoms of PMS, menopause, and promoting breast health. Some women find they support breast wellness by aiding in tissue health and potentially enhancing fullness naturally. Digestive wonder. Struggling with bloating or indigestion. Fennel seeds are known for their soothing effect on the digestive system, relieving gas and promoting better digestion. Natural glow. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, fennel seeds help reduce oxidative stress, giving your skin a radiant, youthful glow and protecting against early signs of aging. Weight craving control. Fennel seeds are also a great addition to weight management routines. They help curb appetite and improve metabolism, making it easier to resist those cravings. Mental immune boost. With their high potassium content, fennel seeds support mental clarity, heart health, and a strong immune system. Add a pinch to warm water or chew a few seeds daily. Trust us, the benefits are amazing. Subscribe for more wellness tips and share this with a friend who could use the boost. Fennel seeds, her women's health, her breast wellness, natural healing, our skin glow, digestive health, healthy living.